Namaskar. Welcome again in the discussion, the establishment and sustainability of a male dancer in terms of socio-economic system. And today I have with me none other a wonderful Kathak dancer, my brother Shobhik Chakrabarti.
Namaskar.
And I think he is so much in the world of Kathak. Yes, his journey started with Pandit Vijay Shankarji at Padatik, and
Yes.
thereafter he continued his talim under Guru Srimati Madhumita Raji, and also guided by Srimati Chetna Jalanji, the director of Padatik. And he is privileged to be trained by none other Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji by attending different workshops and working with him, and at the same time, he also trained by Srimati Padma like Vidushi Shashwati Sen Ji, and he has a wide exposure of attending different workshops by the different choreographers in the world scenario, and mostly he is so fortunate to get the chance to work with none other, the great choreographer Padma Bhushan Kumaduni Lakshaji. So we all know this part of Shobhik's journey, but at the same time, how was his a background in terms of his family support and his the acceptance as a male dancer from the friends in school, college, and even we know he works in a government office, and so they are also from the colleagues. How is the acceptance? So Shobhik now.
Yes. Namaskar. A great initiative by Shandip Malik Dada. You are doing a wonderful job and you are bringing all these aspects of a dancer, especially male dancer, in this platform. So thank you for bringing me or inviting me in your show and bringing these issues. So what I would like to say that my journey started at very young age. When that time I was 9 years old. My cousin sister, she used to learn Kathak under Guru Vandana Singh ji. So she used to practice sometimes at home, and I used to follow her and copy her whatever she's doing. So my father and my parents, they thought that okay, when he can dance or he can copy, so why we don't get him to an institute where he gets the proper training?
You are so
So in
privileged to
this,
have such a wonderful father and parents.
absolutely, I would like to say that because it is their choice. That that was a time when I was unknowingly doing all these things, but they took me to Padatik, and that my journey began at Padatik. So I was very much privileged, and I'm very lucky that in the beginning I got a chance to learn from Vijay Shankar ji. I have got the guidance of Chetna ji, and of course later Madhumita Didi. That was a time like when my base started. So that was very strong. And I have seen the best things in that period, which is definitely a good thing for me because in Padatik, every year Maharaji comes, that we all know since long back. He's coming to Padatik and he's associated other gurus and lot of performances every week. We had the weekend performances at Padatik. So I have seen a lot of good things from the very beginning, and the training which I have got, that is very proper, and aesthetically that has the sense aesthetic sense has developed inside me from that very beginning point. Really, I touch wood that I got chance for that. And my parents who took me to Padatik, or my father who took the initiative to take me to Padatik, he always said that if you like dancing, you dance. We are not forcing you. As if you want to learn it, learn. But at the same time, you have to finish your studies. Like you have to finish graduation, minimum graduation level you should proceed up to. So side by side, my training and my education, it went on. And after finishing the board exam, the higher secondary exam, and the college also, I finished from City College, Calcutta, and I'm an honors graduate in BCom honors graduate. So that's
Same
how
as
my
me.
journey. Yes, yes. So I think it is very much essential for a dancer, even if a male or female, that you should
Yes,
have,
yes.
yes,
The
because
family support
education,
for any artist,
from
for any artist.
absolutely family support is very much needed. Otherwise, like sometimes the parents discourage, especially the male child, that why you are learning dance, because it is you will not get a proper future, and if you have to earn your livelihood, so it is the only way that you should follow this path. You should be a doctor, you should be engineer. We have a lot of doctor engineer in our society, but how many artists growing up like this? So it is very important.
And
And
like when you are like focusing on some like profession, so you have to accept the like advantages and disadvantages of that profession. Like for example, being an artist, initially you can't expect so much money or like earnings. No, it's a journey. It's a journey, but at
exactly,
the same time, like after a while, when you start getting you are earning like whatever you are earning, but at the same time, the prestige and the love that you are getting from the audience, that you can't get from any other professions, like
no, no,
mostly,
no, no.
mostly.
Yes, mostly, yes, because like if we see our society or our social system, like we hardly will get few artists, because mostly the generation or the people, they are into either other professions, because artists are very limited with their artistic quality, and to prosper in that field, particular field, you need to have a proper training, the passion, the love, and dedication, which is
Definitely.
very much essential. I'm not denying that if somebody is studying in the doctor profession or
No, no,
something or
definitely.
some other profession, they have that. But the thing is, this sensibility, the artist's sensibility, it is something different, which when I finish my performance, or the people come like with their uh, that excitement, that
Yes, yes, yes.
because they
या या
are
या आई
seeing.
कैन मतलब वो जो एक मतलब वो जो एक अंदर की जो आंखों में जो दिखता है ना ऑडियंस का, वाव, तो वो
Absolutely.
तो एकदम बिल्कुल अलग हो जाता है.
Definitely, definitely. And that gives you immense pleasure. As an artist, I feel very much lucky that I'm getting chance to entertain. Not a, entertain is not a proper word, I think, but I'm trying,
Feel happy,
whatever
like
I'm
you can
trying to
spread the
deliver it.
happiness among all. You can, by being
Exactly.
happy yourself, at the same time you can spread the happiness among all, like who are
Absolutely.
watching your
Absolutely.
performance.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
That is the most important thing. But at the same time, an artist should earn something, because only art can't survive without money. That is very important.
Because
So
we
as a
all are
male
from the
dance,
commerce background, so we know the importance of finance, how it is.
exactly,
From every
exactly,
aspect, from like in life, we can't think about anything without finance, madam. Like in the, actually in
absolutely correct.
management, we like read no like personal management, official management, financial management, so many aspects. And nowadays it is coming more and more, dance management, event
Exactly.
management, so many things are. Without management you can't. Even as an artist you have to manage everything,
And
like
how will you continue your artistic journey if you don't earn from your profession?
profession. Yeah,
It is
you
just not
can't take it as
possible.
a profession.
Everyone is working so hard in their
Yes,
profession to ultimately for what? To earn. That
yes.
is the thing. So as an artist, I feel that one should earn also. It is
Yeah.
not that it is not a free journey.
क्योंकि
Because
अभी
whenever
खास करके जो इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म सारे जो है वो जब मतलब एकदम शुरुआत में जैसे कि राजा महाराजा का जो मतलब पैट्रोनेज था ना, तो वो तो अभी नहीं रहा। तो वहां भी तो उनको
absolutely
मतलब अपना जीवन के लिए सोचना नहीं पड़ता था, तो इसलिए वो
no,
एकदम
पर
पूरा
वहां से
डेडिकेशन।
उनको मिलता था। आई एम
हाँ
श्योर दैट उनसे वहां से भी उनको मिलता था। आप अपने आर्ट को, इट इज नॉट सेलेबल, बट द थिंग इज आप आर्ट को जो दे रहे हो उसके बदले में आपको कुछ चाहिए, अदरवाइज हाउ विल यू रन योर
यस
फैमिली?
यस, वही तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि डेफिनेटली ये एक साधना है, ये एक अलग है, पर एट द सेम टाइम लाइक वही आमी मतलब दक्षिणेश्वर में ना एक लिखा है धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष। सो मतलब ये चारों
एग्जैक्टली
चीज इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब
एग्जैक्टली
उसी में
एग्जैक्टली
जाना है।
एब्सोल्युटली
अगर मोक्ष,
रिलेटेड,
हाँ
इट्स ऑल
एक के बाद
रिलेटेड।
एक।
आप अपना धर्म करो और आप कमाओ, that
हाँ
is also your dharma that you have to, because see, I can say that I'm single, still now I'm single, but I have responsibility towards my parents
यस।
because they have given us so much. So it is now my duty to take care of them, and that is my
And not only that,
responsibility.
Shobik, even if you are single or like you don't have any responsibility for your parents, but at the same time, you have to live your life.
Of
You have to
course,
live your life as
absolutely,
well. Like, how can you live
exactly,
like for yourself also? Whether we are single or
definitely.
like a family or like a parents, or it doesn't matter. But at the same
No,
time,
no.
end of the day, we have to live by ourselves.
Of course, of course. Like if I go for a performance, I have to have minimum some things, like I have to have a good costume. I have to maintain my ghungroos properly. I have to buy minimum makeup. So
Yes.
if I don't earn from my art,
And
then how
also
will I?
on top of that, you
I
have to
can't
pay for
go
your
bare body
musicians
on the
as
stage.
well, because they are
Of
earning
course,
from this profession. Like they are also professional, so
exactly.
you have to like make them
We exactly. We
satisfied.
also should think for them also,
Yes,
for our
it is part
musicians,
of
because they are
it is part of our journey.
part of yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely.
तो
So I
शोभिक,
think
एक मुझे पता है कि आपने मतलब एक सरकारी नौकरी भी करते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये आपके लिए एक तरफ से सपोर्ट है, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई नो लाइक यू नेवर लाइक फोकस्ड on that. Yes, that is a parallel track for your profession, but like for I don't know, maybe you never missed a single program for your office job.
absolutely correct, because this is my first priority. I need to understand that what is my priority. Definitely, I'm in a government sector. I'm working in under central government, but the thing is, my first priority is this, my dance.
And
So
you have
when
chosen for like you got that job for dance only.
absolutely, I was coming to that point because I got this job against cultural quota, and that is also through my dance. So how can I negate that? Okay, now I have got a government job, so I don't need to bother about my dance. Have not, I had never thought of that, because that dance is my first priority. If I
Yes,
lose this
that's your
job, also I
passion.
don't know.
That's your passion.
Absolutely, absolutely, and good that we have a thing, I would say, in government job, that it could be without pay. So I never have bothered. Months after months, I
I
was
know.
not paid from my job, but I continued my passion, my love, because without dance I can't live. I did not miss a single program. In fact, in many programs I paid the flight fares from my pocket, and
Yes, I
after
know
office
that.
I
I know
flew.
that.
I flew to
I
the
know that.
destination. I performed, and I came back
And I think
because
here we can point out, like you see, if your passion is for your like subject, so you may not be stuck for the earnings only. Because here Shovik, we can see like Shovik can like sacrifice his salary because of his passion. for his dance,
Absolutely,
because
I'm ready
like
to do that.
maybe he is not getting that much amount from the performance, but he is ready to like sacrifice that amount of like his salary. So that is
Of
important.
course.
How to balance? How to balance?
Yes,
I think
yes.
this is like my focus. How we can balance our life with the like our passion and with our earnings. Like
That is very much needed, because if I can't balance, then I can't maintain the both. I
yes,
work in the morning, and every evening after office I run to Padatik. Still now, now lockdown is on. So before that also, I remember that the day before the first lockdown, that was 22nd of March.
yes.
Before that Saturday, the class was officially closed, because that time the pandemic was spreading. It started spreading. But I went alone to Padatik. I did my practice. So if I think that, okay, I'm so tired with my job, because the work I do in my office, that is also very tedious job, because I need to, I'm in as I have the commerce background, so I'm in the finance things, because I need to calculate a lot of things, which is very tedious. But I try to maintain that. I have to go and I have to practice. I have to be in that.
Yes,
In
yes.
the office also, sometimes I like, if I get 5 minutes time, I start thinking of my dance. And
Uh,
sometimes unknowingly, I
so,
start
by the
thinking
way,
that.
like it's my like just query, like as you started your like training at Padatik, and we all know Padatik is so like, at that time they were so busy by like producing different choreographies, and you used to take part in most of those choreographies. And so when you are a student, and so do you think it was easier for you to be part of this fraternity as a dancer, because unknowingly you are already in to the profession when during your study, your school or college friends, they even can think about their future, but you can see your future because you are already in like choreographies, and you are performing and you are touring.
Hmm.
So do you think it was an advantage for you to focus your
Uh,
goal?
yes. In that sense, I would say that when I was in class 9, that time first I got the opportunity to work in the choreographies or the repertoire of Padate. That time I was quite young, and
Class
that was
9
my
is a
first
student life.
class. Yes, yes, of course. I was also learning, but that was a very small part, and I performed with the seniors of Padatik at that time. And after that, when I was a part of the major production of Padatik, Ram Katha Ram Kahani, I used to play the character of Rama. That was because Shamananji told my father that the age of Ram, I am imagining he's absolutely at that age, because at that time I was like 15 or 16 years old,
Teenager.
class 9, 10, teenage, yeah. So my father said that, see, you have to balance. This is the time, if you want to do something in this career, like if you want to progress in dance, so you have to balance yourself. That we will not tell you how to do that, but if you want, you have to do that. And one more thing I want to add on, like nowadays the parents are so much in their um, like, you also know, Sandeep da, like the parents come to the class, how she's doing or how my child is doing. It is
They are very
my
much keen
father
about their
never.
future. They are very much keen about
Exactly.
their future, like how good
Yes,
his or her child is.
yes.
Instead
But
of
my
like
father,
just like let him or her to practice and learn, and in future what he or she will be, he or she will be.
yes, that, but from the very beginning, if you think like that, and that is not done, I think, because I should not say, not to harm their sentiments.
No,
But
no.
my father never did that. So when at that point, my father told me that you have to balance yourself, that you have to study also. And because for Ramkatha Ram Kahani, every month we had a show outside of Calcutta, uh, everywhere in India. So I was touring a lot in fact, before my board exam, just 1 month before, also I was touring. So my uh, teachers also said that we can't take the risk. If he fails, then we don't know. I said that no, I know how to balance it. I will definitely do something. And say I've passed my board exam with a very good marks and higher secondary also, and that way the question you asked, like, definitely I was unknowingly into this profession, and which I realized later.
Later.
And because the exposure, I won't say, because that was not a time for me to get that exposure, but लोगों
You
के
are
नजरों
already
में
in.
आना,
You are already in.
लोगों के नजरों में आना,
Hmm.
ये जो बात है कि if I'm performing in Delhi, Bombay, in different cities, or
Everybody,
even
yeah.
in Calcutta, so the dance fraternity, they started
Then
noticing,
knowing
or
you, they started knowing you.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Hmm.
because okay, Shobik means Padatik. Shobik means
Yes.
Padatik. Oh,
Ah.
he's a dancer. He's a dancer. So
Ah.
this
Yes. Yes.
recognition, which I
Recognition.
started, yes, from that age, I would say. And of course, in performing in other cities, like when after the performance, when the other dancers come to meet you the backstage, some, maybe not for me, but still they are okay.
Yes.
You
Yes.
played the character,
You have been
बच्चा तुमने बहुत
introduced
अच्छा किया.
like that. Yes. Huh.
Yes, you
Hmm.
danced
You did
so well, बच्चा
drama,
तुमने बहुत
something
अच्छा
like
किया.
that. Yes, you did
Yes,
drama, or you did that character, or like yes, yes.
yes.
It comes
And
like that.
for any other Kathak performance also, oh, you dance so well, you're from Padatik, oh, you're from Calcutta. So, that exposure in different cities, and that I would say that I definitely got that privilege.
Acha, how much do you agree with like yes, your focus is on Kathak, but at the same time, to like just to balance something, if you have been asked to do something else, means besides Kathak, like in other dance forms, or how do you think, how much one can extend his or her like
Capabilities.
yes.
See, I don't know any other dance forms except Kathak. I will be in this Kathak field, but I will try to explore, or I will try to find a new dimension, new language, because definitely I got the chance to work with Kumudini Lakia ji. I have seen her choreographing, well, many pieces, because I was in at that time, because for a long time I have worked with
With
Kadam
her,
repertoire,
yes.
yes, and under her guidance. So I have seen her seeing the dance in a different way. So that clicked me a lot, like that inspired me a lot. I know that, but what in fact I would say that I like abstract choreography. I like abstract choreography. Because this dramatic choreographies, that has a different sense, and that abstraction has its different sensibility.
Yes, the
So
approach are
yes,
different. Approaches are different. Yes.
totally different. So I am more into this abstraction. That inspires me a lot, and that attracts me a lot, I would say.
What is your suggestions for the next upcoming generation? Because like especially for this lockdown and this pandemic, COVID-19, everything has been stuck, and we are very much in online. And I think that
Yes.
that's why we can continue this conversation as well, because of the this online trend. But oh, what do you think about the future of our classical dance because of this online and all?
This lockdown period is a temporary period, and this is not going to last long, I think, because it's a pandemic thing which is going around the world. So we have to maintain this. We can't say that no, we will not maintain. But the thing is, संदीप दा, आप और हमने जब आप तो मुझसे भी ज्यादा सीनियर है, तो आपने जब ये शुरू किया, आपका डांस शुरू हुआ, या the journey started, you know that we had the scope it was very limited because तभी हम लोग के पास सिर्फ stage था अपने आप को दिखाने के लिए. Nowadays the children are getting, or the who's starting learning dance, for the upcoming dancers they have a lot of platforms to showcase their art, like the social medias, YouTube, and like that. So I think they are more uh, into in this, and they are really lucky to have this technology nowadays in their hand, because हम लोग के पास तभी ये सब साधन नहीं था. हम लोग सीखते थे, रियाज करते थे, प्रैक्टिस करते थे, और साल में एक बार एनुअल शो में वो दिखाने के लिए मौका मिलता था. I think you will agree with me.
Definitely,
But
definitely.
now, yes, nowadays, पर एक चीज I would like to say that, you know, half baked चीज मत दिखाना है, क्योंकि अभी लोगों में बहुत परेशानियां हैं, बेचैनियां हैं, क्या मुझे पता नहीं, but the thing is people are, how will I come in the limelight? I will say that that is not easy. You have to have that patience. I always say the parents, or wherever people ask me to say, I say that the first thing to learn classical dance form, any classical dance form, classical music, you should have patience. You should have, suppose
Yes. I always say that. I think everyone is with this. Yes.
yes, ये तो एक हैंड राइटिंग की तरह है. व्हाट आई फील लाइक, अगर आपको ए लिखना है, बी लिखना है, सी लिखना है,
Properly
तो
लिखना
वो
है.
तो प्रॉपरली लिखना है. आप ऐसे टेढ़ा ए लिखोगे तो दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. आप लिख रहे हो, ओके, आई एम राइटिंग, बट हाउ यू आर राइटिंग, यू मास्टर दैट. आप उसका बेसिक समझो, ठीक से समझो, प्रोग्रेशन, सब कुछ का एक
Progression.
प्रोग्रेशन
Yes,
लाइक
yes.
एक बच्चा स्कूल में kindergarten, फिर then class 1 2 3 4, like that is a progression, and that is our system in the body system also, you know that. But how will you jump in this classical art? It is just not possible.
Not
So
only in classical dance, like art form. I think it's same
any art
like
form,
for
any art
everywhere.
form,
Like even in study as well. Like after class 4, you can't jump to class 8 or
to
10.
class
No,
10, no, no,
no.
no, not
Max to
possible. You
max,
have to
like
have
you
that
can.
progression.
It is like that.
Yeah, but I don't know how many of the audience will accept my views. Like, but the thing is, अभी लोगों में वो परेशानी मैं कभी कभी देखता हूँ कि she is not getting chance, she's feeling bored, कि she's not getting that privilege, or her friend in the same class got a chance to perform in this festival, so she has to dance. But why? Why? What is the hurry? Because they are so little. Still now, Sandeep, I also feel that I am nothing in this field. I am just a drop of water in the sea. But अभी बच्चों में वो patience मुझे
By the
बहुत
way,
कम
like
दिखता है.
coming to your point, like I know you are teaching a lot, like you have a very good students, and but what is the ratio? Like uh, how many boys are learning from you, and like compared to the girls? As I am
Yeah.
like because see, like I should clear, like I am trying to clear up this my view of
Exactly.
this. Like I don't believe in any religion, any casteism, any gender, because when we are artists, we are artists. So we have
Absolutely.
no
Absolutely.
discrimination, but at the same time, as because like we can't think about a man without earning in the society, it's not our fault. It's the system that we are carrying on in the society, and that's why even for the like students' life, like I used to be like maybe with a 1:100, like 1:99 ratio in my like classes. Like I used to learn from my guru, like since I am a student like of Guru Srimati Srilekha Mukherjee, and I used to learn at Baliganj Technical School. There I learned like around 10 years at that institution, and as far I can remember, I was the only boy Throughout these 10 years, I was the only boy in there. But my guru has another other
Institute.
boy students. They are in the other institutions or at her home. But in my that institution, like I used to
You were
be
the only one.
only one. So I think at Padatik also for a long time you used to be the single ladla
No,
beta.
no, no, not like that. There
No,
were
no,
other
means
boys
like
also.
no. The others came as a performer or as a repertory member, but as a student, I think like you were only at Padatik
Yes.
for a
No,
long
when
time.
I joined Padatik that time, other two boys were there, but in the long run, I did not see them to
Hmm.
be in this profession.
And
Maybe
what
they have
about your
changed their.
students?
I have five, six male students. I
Good.
have definitely girl students, but yes, that's good. Like I
So how
always
much are
encourage
they
them.
interested in dance? Do you think any one of them will take dance as a career or something like that? What is their vision? Do you have any
Uh,
idea? I know it is not your
yeah,
thing, your job, but
no, no,
still.
no. But I don't want to push them. Like you have to take this as your profession. That is their own choice because they all have grown up.
Hmm.
But I encourage them definitely. Like okay, because when you are learning, you spread the essence, and whatever you will get back, that is your profit. It is not my thing. That is your you are giving something to the society or to this art field what you are learning. And they, because they all are doing studies or they're in colleges, or one of them is doing doctorate or something
Yes.
like that. Yes, so
And what about the
they are
girls?
meant to be.
And what
Girls
about the
are very much,
girls?
girls are also doing the same, because I encourage them, and I try to make them good dancers. I won't say professionals, but good dancers.
Yes, yes.
Whatever I have
At
learned,
their age, it should be their focus. Definitely.
exactly, whatever I have learned from my gurus, or any little things I have heard from my gurus, I try to share with them, so that they get that proper essence, the
Vision.
fragrance of this beautiful
Yeah.
dance form.
Preparations
So
of
I
dance.
try to,
Yes, yes.
yes, I try to do that.
So
Yes.
nice talking to you. I hope our future generations will have some ideas about the journey because my
Yeah, it is
this
very much
discussion.
essential, Shandip Das, because this topic which you have raised, this is very much essential nowadays, because you know this. In our so still we have that social stigma that why a male boy or a male will take this profession of
Yeah,
dancing.
yeah, and because I think it is a very common question, if you are a dancer or whatever, okay, नहीं नहीं डांस सब करते हैं, एक्चुअली क्या
और क्या
करते हैं?
करते हैं?
मतलब
Exactly, I was
एक्चुअली आप
about to say this.
মানে
और
না না
आप क्या करते हैं?
ঠিক আছে তো ডান্স
People
তো
have
করো
that
কিন্তু
conception, okay,
আসলে কি
you
করো, আসলে কি করো?
exactly. Still people have that conception, like अगर आप ये करते हो तो उसके साथ कुछ करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
But why? Why? I'm doing a job, that is a different
No,
question,
but
but my focus is in this
I
only.
don't.
I know. A lot of dancers are there. They have taken this as profession.
Yeah.
They are performing, they are
Yes,
teaching.
definitely.
Yes.
I was there in a school for 13 years. For 13 years, and I am really, I feel really lucky to be there because I learned a lot about the life, about everything. So in that way, I am really lucky. But when that is the point. Like when I saw, yes, I can continue my dance without that support, then I left that. So you have to balance, you have to sacrifice, you have to choose your path,
Exactly,
like
exactly.
when we
Do
like the
we ever
priority.
ask, when we visit a doctor, do we ever ask the doctor, okay, what do you do? You are a doctor, except other than that, do you have any other profession? Why to ask this silly question to the artist? This is totally not done, I believe. And
No.
definitely I would I would like to mention that I have got tremendous support from my relatives, my friends in my school and colleges, my teachers, because I do remember that I missed one exam in my when I was in class 11 because of my performance at that time, because I was touring a lot with Padatik dance repertoire. uh, I gave a letter from Padatik to my school that for this tour, I won't be able to attend one exam. But my school allowed that, and they took my exam separately. When I came back, they took my exam separately. So that
Shobik,
was definitely a
don't you
support.
think like it was because like you tried to maintain your role as a student and as a dancer properly? Because if we
That's
play the role like different roles properly, so we can get support from that, like what can I say,
definitely,
from
definitely.
that side. Like
It's
as a family
always
member, if you are trying your level best to be there as a family member, and at the same time as an like a office like a work like a employee, if you are too much serious in your office job, and at the same time you are like a like same like a devotion you are putting for Padatik, so everyone will try to adjust. Everyone
absolutely
will try
because
to adjust you. If you
uh,
started giving excuse for one to another, then you will not get support.
no, 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 definitely no. Because in my office, I still have a good reputation for my work. I know that they always say, okay, his work is up to date. Every time he finishes every given job or every work given to him. But at the
Within
same
the
time,
date, if you
within the
finish your
at
like
the
due dates,
time barrier, because
yeah,
yes, हमें वही
because
काम
somebody
करना
is
होता है कि
depending
ये
on you,
time.
no, they are paying, and
Of course,
somebody is depending
of
on your
course.
file.
Yes, of course. So I finish everything because I hardly have any friends in my office. I don't like to chat. I don't want to do the gossip things. But I go, I sit, and I start working. I finish my work, and then I go to Padatik for my practice. So it is very much essential.
Yes, and I think same thing
Sometimes
used to be in your student life as well. Like
as
you,
well, as well.
you like I think you are a good student, you are a regular student, studiers, so that if you done your homework and everything, so teachers can't blame you. Like why it
No,
happened?
can't.
No. So I think
Only once
even for
my
me it was as well like that only. That's why I was also supported by my like friends and my teachers. It was like that only. Yes.
I would like to share thing. When I was in college, I was that time I had typhoid, and that was the time when I was appearing for my BCom honors part two
Yes. Yes.
examination.
I know that.
And yes, and we had a performance at Padatik, and that was Kathak Mahotsav held in Kolkata at that particular year. So I
Ardhasati.
was a part of that.
Ardhasati.
Ardhashati, yes,
Yes,
the
I was
choreographer was
there.
Ardhashati. Yes, so you remember I had typhoid,
Yes, I know. I
and
remember.
yes, I I danced with 104 degrees temperature, and next day I had the honors paper examination, but I still did it. My father never said that okay, my son can't dance because he has typhoid, he has examination, and a lot of things.
No
He,
excuse.
he
No excuse.
no
Yes.
excuse. You have to do means you have to do.
Yes.
They were
Yes.
very strict. You have otherwise you go. You whatever you do, you feel like you feel. My parents were very strict because that is your choice. Whatever you want to do, and that thing also I had to maintain throughout. Now also in office I finish everything. No one can complain. I have a good
Very
rapport
good. You
with
are a
my
good boy.
colleagues. No,
So
no, no, it's
anyway,
not
like
that I have a lot of drawbacks.
do you have?
वन मोर थिंग, अभी भी लोग, मुझे एक चीज में समझ में नहीं आता है, कभी कभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे ऊपर थोड़ा सा चिढ़ जाते हैं, वो बोलते हैं एक मूवी देखने चलेंगे या आज यहाँ पे चलेंगे कोई पार्टी करने में. आई सेड दैट नो, आई एम टू बिजी, आई हैव माय प्रैक्टिस, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड दे लाइक ओ गॉड, कभी तो आप इससे निकलो कि आप कुछ कर सको. आई सेड दैट सी, आई कांट डिवोट माय टाइम थ्रू आउट टू माय आर्ट, माय पैशन, माय लव. So this is the time, evening time, when I get time. So I don't want to miss this opportunity. I will do this and then I will go with you. And कभी कभी लोग बोलते हैं मैं खुद से बोर हो जाता हूँ, मैं कभी नहीं होता हूँ. I'm very much
बिल्कुल.
happy
क्यों?
within myself.
यस
क्यों
यस.
होना है?
हाँ
लोग
क्यों
बोलते
होना
हैं
है?
oh God I'm so bored, so let's go to for some
हाँ,
party, let's go to some disco. I never have attended. मुझे
मुझे तो
बोर होना
टाइम
ही
ही
नहीं
नहीं
अपने
मिलता
आप से,
है.
मिलता
हर
भी नहीं है.
समय
और
कुछ ना
वो
कुछ सोचता हूँ. बिल्कुल.
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली. और
और हम
होना क्यों है
मतलब
खुद
डांस के
से.
अलावा कुछ सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ, आप खुद को पहले प्यार करो, अपने आर्ट को प्यार करो. आप खुद को प्यार करोगे तो आपका प्यार क्या है, डांस, तो वो अपने आप में आता रहेगा. तो बट क्यों ये सब क्यों सोचना है कि हमको
बिल्कुल
वो
बिल्कुल.
चाहिए ये चाहिए. आई हैव टू गो टू द पार्टीज, डिस्को, आई हैव टू गो विद द
See,
फ्रेंड्स.
end of the day, you have
दैट
to be happy. End of the day, as a
एग्जैक्टली.
human being, you have to be happy. So, if you can be
You have
happy
to
with,
earn, you have to survive, and you have to be happy.
yes, yes. So, any
That is
suggestion
the
for
important.
the younger generation, next generation?
Yeah, I would say that आप, if you do something with proper dedication, proper love, or that passion, you will get back something. Don't expect it right now. Up in the due time, you will get that back. Because I feel like
Yes,
that, and I have
absolutely,
experienced that in my life.
absolutely,
जब मैंने
absolutely.
डांस कैरियर शुरू हुआ तो मुझे नहीं लगा था immediately I have to earn, I have to get that prestige, I have to get this, I have to get that. अब मुझे popular होना है. Never. I still don't think like that. मुझे नाचना पसंद है, मैं जाता हूँ, मैं नाचता हूँ, मैं नाच के आ जाता हूँ. अब मुझे डस्टो प्रोग्राम में आई हैव टू जंप, आई हैव टू डू दिस प्रोग्राम, आई हैव टू डू दैट प्रोग्राम. ओ यू somebody has performed in that program, I have to jump in that program. I never have believed in that. अगर मुझे लोग पसंद करते हैं तो आपको खुद देख के लोग बुला लेंगे. आपको उसके ऊपर जंप करना. I This is my personal opinion,
No,
my
no,
personal.
definitely, it's same, same. It is actual like realization of an artist.
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you, Shovik. खूब भालो लागलो.
थैंक यू शोनदीप दा, थैंक यू शोनदीप दा. मन खुल के बात किया आज.
एकदम. चलो,
एकदम
नमस्ते.
एकदम. थैंक यू
Thank you.
एवरीवन.
Thank you.